National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northern Parker County in north central Texas, Wise County in north central Texas until 4 p.m. At 1:02 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated moderate to heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Hazel, Decatur, Bridgeport, Bryan, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Albert, New Fairview, Aurora, Boise, Chico, Paradise, Cool, Boonstone, Mineral Wells State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing widespread heavy rain. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in the past few hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marietta, Leadin, Vacaville, Truro, Leon, Overbrook, Oscar, Grady, New Bottom, Burneyville, Southern Lake Murray, Petersburg, and Courtney. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Montague County in north central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated a rainfall rate of just over 1 inch per hour was occurring, especially across portions of Montague County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bowie, Nakona, Munster, St. Joe, Forestburg, Sunset, and Snowburg. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area over the next couple of hours. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, southern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, south central Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Wednesday at 3:37 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated widespread heavy rain falling across the area, including Ardmore and Tishomingo. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ardmore, Sulphur, Madrill, Tishomingo, Lone Grove, Healdton, Wilson, Kingstone, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Rabia, Mill Creek, Milburn, Dory, G. Nautry, Hickory, Nita, Russet, and Fitztown. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northern Parker County and north central Texas, Wise County and north central Texas until 7 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., Mountain radar indicated that heavy rain with rainfall rates of 1 inch per hour was still ongoing across the warned area. Additional rain totals of 1 to 3 inches will be possible over the next several hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Albert, New Fairview, Aurora, Boise, Chico, Paradise, Cool, Boonsville, and Mineral Wells State Park. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Gainesville listening area. Wind advisory in effect until The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 11:15 p.m. Wednesday at 5:09 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the area, including Duncan and Waurika. Up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen across eastern Jefferson County. Some locations that will experience flooding include Duncan, Marlow, Waurika, Comanche, Bray, Ringling, Land, Velma, Hastings, Loco, Addington, Sugden, Coram, Waurika Lake, Central High, Empire City, and Cornish. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., the public and local law enforcement reported heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding was being reported near the communities of Chico, Albert, and Paradise. 3 to 5 inches of rainfall have been reported, and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain will likely fall over the next several hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Albert, New Fairview, Aurora, Boise, Chico, Paradise, Boonsville, Cottondale, Rome, Runaway Bay, Newark, and Lake Bridgeport. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The Weather Service in Norman has extended the flash flood warning for Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, until 2 a.m. Thursday at 7:38 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across Love and southern Jefferson counties. 4 to 6 inches of rain has fallen over the past several hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marietta, Ryan, Vacaville, Turtle, Leon, Overbrook, Oscar, Brady, Blue Bottom, Barneyville, Southern Lake Murray, Petersburg, and Courtney. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Cook County and north central Texas until 3 a.m. At 9:01 p.m., emergency manager reported that creeks and streams flowing out of Montague County were rising rapidly across western and southwestern portions of Cook County. These creeks that were overflowing their banks were covering roads and endangering a few structures. Additional runoff is expected to occur as moderate to heavy rain continues to fall in creeks and streams upstream from the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Gainesville, Munster, Lindsay, and Valley View. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Norman has extended the flash flood warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, southern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, south central Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 1:45 a.m. At 9:29 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warning area. Rainfall amounts of 3 to 8 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ardmore, Sulphur, Madill, Tishomingo, Lone Grove, Healdton, Wilson, Kingstone, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Rabia, Mill Creek, Milburn, Dory, G. Nodry, Hickory, Nita, Russet, and Fitztown. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has extended the flash flood warning for Wise County. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has extended the flash flood warning for Montague County in north central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north central Texas until 2:15 a.m. At 9:56 p.m., emergency management reported that numerous roadways were flooded across much of Montague County. Several of these roads were impassable due to high water. Additional light to moderate rain will continue to fall over the next several hours. This will likely result in continued flooding over much of Montague County. In addition, flooding due to quickly rising creeks and streams will occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bowie, Nakona, Munster, St. Joe, Forestburg, Sunset, and Stoneburg. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 4:45 a.m. At 10:51 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling from near Marlow and Duncan south to Comanche and Waurika. 2 to 5 inches of rain has fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Duncan, Marlow, Waurika, Comanche, Bray, Ringling, Lyon, Velma, Hastings, Loco, Abington, Sugden, Coram, Waurika Lake, Central High, Empire City, and Cornish. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night